Hi, Tony. It's very hot now during the summer. Do you still do the work outside?
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Okay. So you need to drink a lot of water, right?
Yes.
Okay. So how much water you drink each day?
Maybe 8 or 9 cup or 8 ounces. 8 ounces, maybe 8 times a day.
Eight times a day. Yes.
More or less,
Yes.
When I go working outside, it's
Yes.
very hot,
Yes.
During the sun, lunchtime or whatever, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, it's very hot. I challenge the sun. Says, go ahead.
So, but I recommend you not to challenge in the sun.
But I did until now, I'm okay.
You're okay, yes, but then
Never know tomorrow. Maybe I
things
change.
could change a little bit. Yes. So every day you do some yard work
Yes.
and you cook your own food. You never did a sports, right? Did you ever did sports?
I go to the gym.
You go to gym. Okay.
I used to go 3 times. Now I started with just 1 time. Now lately I couldn't go because the place is closed.
Okay.
I got to go somewhere else.
Okay.
Just
Okay.
for fun, for company. It is a silver nickel program.
Oh, okay.
From
During
the-
the COVID, how did you exercise? Just do the yard work?
Yeah, I was going in the swamp over there on the 441.
There's
There
a
is
natural
place,
park there.
a natural park.
Yes.
That's where I was going, making maybe 10 miles every time I was going over there.
You were artist, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Tony paint many pictures and yeah.
I used to, only women. Only
Beautiful
women.
woman. Yes.
Only beautiful.
So why you stop painting?
Because my wife I started getting married, and after my wife got very sick, and everything stopped.
Okay.
I took care of my wife. She had Alzheimer for more than 25 years.
So your wife had Alzheimer's for
Yes.
over 20 years. So
Over.
how old was she when she got sick?
She started like maybe on 60, 65.
65.
something.
Does she love carbs? Does she love pasta or pasta?
Yeah, she ate everything. She was a good cook,
She
everything.
was a very good
Yeah.
cook.
But something happened.
Mm.
Never know. The brain that way was start getting bad, and I had to take care. That's it. My wife. That's it. No more, no less. No matter what.
So you just mentioned the diet. You mentioned the turmeric. How often you use turmeric?
Every time I make rice,
Uh-huh.
I put turmeric.
How much you put? Is that a
I think
powder?
that it is maybe half a teaspoon, good, until the rice come nice and yellow. And that's it. I go to put also garlic powder,
Garlic.
the regular garlic.
Okay.
Yeah, and
But you use a lot of olive oil, right?
olive oil, only olive oil. I use the regular olive oil, and after, if I make something that like salad or whatever, and vegetable, cooked vegetable, I put extra virgin olive oil.
Okay. The rice, do you make every day or you make
No, it is once or twice a week.
once or twice a week?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Because there are a lot of people take too much turmeric, and turmeric can cause a lot of heat, and the heat can cause inflammation. So I think Tony did a little bit, a half teaspoon, right?
Yeah, half a
Yeah.
teaspoon.
But
Depends how much rice. 1 cup of rice,
Uh-huh.
2.5 cup of water, more or less,
Okay.
And put until it's got a nice gold color. That's it.
Okay.
Okay.
And then you eat this for like a couple of days.
Yeah.
Okay. So the dosage is very, very important. So Tony takes statin, Tony take a little bit of synthroid, but at the lowest possible effective dosage. The same thing with a little bit of turmeric, give the taste. And also turmeric produce the heat. So turmeric helping the circulation, but turmeric also stimulate the nerves. So if you do have neuropathy or you have some nerve issues, if you stimulate the nerves, then the nerve will not recover. So you need to find the possible lowest dosage for everything. And Tony just mentioned that the diet he never stick with one diet. He alternate, right?
Alternate.
Yeah. One day there's rice, one day is pasta, and the other secret is Tony did I watch him to eat one day. Last Christmas, he eats very little.
Yeah,
I think
don't eat that much.
small amount of food would be secret of longevity. So eating too much carbs or anything, even vegetables, eating too much will cause indigestion.
Everything, the secret is in the dosage. That's it. If you exceed one dosage, it's no good. It's got to be particular, especially not too much of this or not too much of that. It's got to be combined and never exceed on everything.
Yes, that's right.
Because like in the water that you drink, there is all kind of chemical.
Yes.
But the dosage is the one that is the secret.
You started drinking lemon water, right? Remember I started recommend you and you started drinking lemon water. How often you drink that?
But not too much, though. Every once in a while I drink that one. No? All the time, even coffee. I drink coffee in the morning and that's it. In the morning, a big cup of coffee.
Big cup. That's why you don't sleep well. Tony didn't sleep very well. Thank you. So we learned so much from Tony. We want to be healthy and happy.